Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel IP Boys FX. This is a brand new week and I'm coming up with this brand new strategy to give you guys a good strategy that no one can give you. So this strategy is for touch no touch. For setting up this strategy, all you need to select your volatility 100 index. It should be on volatility 100 index. So once you select volatility 100 index, then you go to your touch, you select your touch no touch. Once you select this touch no touch, this strategy is the best strategy that I've ever created. This week, or call it last week, I've been backtesting this strategy to see how it goes, and I have seen that this strategy is working perfectly and accurate. So what you do is that you select your duration should be on minimum of 2 minutes. So your barrier offset should be plus 0.7 and the staking amount should be 10. So in this strategy, we are clicking only touch. Just follow my step, and the net profit payout for this is $2.04 profit. So your total payout is $12, and your profit you make once you won the trade is $2.04. So let's get to it. For this strategy, I designed a bot indicator for this strategy. And if you want me to send you this bot strategy, the settings, and show you how to set it up, just the only thing you can do is to just subscribe to this channel. And once you subscribe, go to my description. You will see my WhatsApp line. DM me and just send me a message so that I will send you the setup for this bot. That's the only thing you can do. Subscribe, like and share. So let's get to the video. So all you need to do, once you have set everything, all you need to do is to make sure that you know if the trend is uptrend or downtrend. So how do you know if the trend is uptrend or downtrend? Is once you go to after setting up this bot indicator, after setting up to be like this, all you need to do is to go to here, then check on your 1 minute time frame to know if the trend is on a downtrend or on a uptrend. You can see that we are on a uptrend market. So what you do is to go back, then go back to your ticks, one ticks. So what you do is that you buy and sell at you sell at your resistance and buy at your support. This green line is your support, while the red line is your resistance. You buy at the support and you sell at the resistance. Once this indicator reach to touch the green line, you start buying, and once it touch the red line, you click on your sell. So how do you know how to click? Once you have select your barrier offset plus 0.7, is that you want the price to go up and touch the plus 0.7 level. So that means you will be buying. Once the indicator touches this green line, you click on touch for it to go up and touch the plus 0.7. So I'll wait for it to reach at the support and purchase. I'll do this only 3 or 4 times to show you guys how accurate this strategy works. Only for you to just subscribe, share and like this video. Send me a DM on WhatsApp for this indicator or bot. I will share it freely, only freely for the new subscribers. And also, if you are a returning subscriber watching this video, you can also DM me for this setup. So I'll wait for it to reach. And once it's reached, how do you know when to purchase? Is once it's reached, you will see this red line, this red and black line moving. Once they cross and flip, once they touch the green line and cross each other, then you purchase. Oh, you don't need to do this much time. Only 10 trade is good for 10 trade or 5 trades, because once the profit is giving you $2, 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. That means if you do it only 5 times for the day, then you leave and wait and come back for another day. So how you trade this strategy. Every strategy that I'm giving you guys on this channel is followed by a proper risk management and rules. If you follow my rules properly, you will consistently win and make money on your own without nobody trading for you or anything. Then let's wait for it. All you can do is just wait for the indicator to tell you when to click. Once it reaches to the support zone, all this time now it has been consolidating. It hasn't touched any support or resistance. If it's going up, that means you are not buying. You understand? If it's going up to touch the resistance, don't click. The only time you can click if it's going to the resistance is when you change your barrier offset to -0.7. That's when you'll be selling. Understand? That's when you'll be selling. And if the indicator is at your support, you'll be buying. So when do you know when to buy or sell? Is that the plus sign is the plus 0.7 is plus. That means plus sign. And why the -0.7 is the negative sign, which is for sell, why plus is for buy. Understand? Let me just keep it on a layman understanding. The plus sign is for rising, the market should rise, and the minus sign is for sell, the market should fall and touch your level. So let's wait. I'm still waiting for this. You can see once it's reached to the resistance zone, this indicator is the best indicator. Like, no one, it's hard to see someone creating this kind of indicator. It's so brilliant that not everybody can create this type of indicator and share it out freely to individuals. So all you can do for me is to just share this video and comment, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Then wait for me to take trade and show you how everything works. So if this not showing us a sign of buying, then I'll switch it to sell. I'll switch it to sell if it's not showing us any sign of buying. So I'll switch it if it's not showing us any sign of buying. Well, the market is now going down. Let's just wait. And you have to be patient on this strategy. So even though it reached to 50% level, which is the middle level, don't click purchase. This strategy, once you watch this video you don't understand, rewatch the video over and over again. That's the way to understand this strategy, because the strategy is a kind of tough to understand. But once you have understand the strategy, it won't give you that much tough to understand. Just stay tuned and wait for me to take 3 or 4 trades to show you guys how accurate this strategy is. So it's at the support zone now. It has crossed, then I'll purchase. So I have to purchase. Then I've purchased. You can see my balance now is 61 11,061.36 USD. Then we wait for it to touch. We click on view to see how it's going. Okay, this is the level. This is the level. Just few ticks to for it to reach. You can see the trade just won right away. We made $2.04 right away without no wasting time. It didn't take much time. It didn't take much time. So you can see this strategy, it just won. You understand? Once it touched the support, we bought, then it rise is now on the resistance side. Then we'll close this. You can see now my initial balance now is now 11,733. Then I'll close. I'll take one more trade or two more trades. If it doesn't touch, don't take any trade. If it doesn't touch, don't take any trade. You can see that this market didn't touch the resistance line. So if you want to sell, you'll be clicking for minus 0.7, but it didn't touch, so don't sell. This is like a fake. It's like a fake. So wait for it to touch. You can still switch. You can still switch any move. You understand? You can still switch any move. The only thing I can advise is for you not to get confused on any move. Then I'll switch to know if I will be selling this move that is coming 0.7. Then wait for it. Then I'll be selling it to purchase. Once it touched it, then I'll click purchase for to sell it. I'm still waiting. If it didn't touch and cross the 50% level, then I'll still switch to plus to know if I'll still buy. So you this time around, you are not gambling. You are trading with your proper knowledge of understanding how the movement of the market is going. So let's just wait for it to reach to the resistance, which is your resistance level, for it to sell. It's still not showing us sign of sell. It's still not showing us sign of sell. So I'm still waiting. We took only one trade right away. We made $2 right away. So we are waiting to take more trades if the signals is strong. If the signal isn't strong, then we leave it. That's the way it works. If the signal isn't strong, we leave it. And the best time you can also trade this is when the market is much volatile. If the market is much volatile, that's the best time to trade. So it's now coming to the resistance side. I will change it to plus 70. Okay, so it crossed already. Let's just buy. Okay, let's view what it's doing. Let's just wait. It doesn't waste time. This is the best strategy I've ever made. It doesn't waste time. You can see it. Everything is clear. $2 profit. So I'm just waiting for the last trade to take, because I'm recording this with my phone. I'm recording it with my phone. So once it cross the 50 line, you then switch. Depends. Once it cross this 50 line to go for the resistance, you switch it to minus. and if it doesn't cross, you can see it haven't crossed, so it's still going for a buy, more buy. Then once the stochastic black and red has crossed each other, you wait for it to cross, then you purchase. So I purchased already. This is the last trade for today. This is the last trade for today. This is the last trade for today. I'll see how this goes. Oh wow, 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 very awesome. You can see we haven't even opened the chart. It has already won. It has already won for itself. You can see it has already won for itself. Since I've been testing this strategy, I haven't lose any trade. So I would have taken more trade, but this just like to show you guys, review you guys about this strategy. Just peace up, don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video.